Welcome to BirdDog. If you're running business selling hunting experiences, fishing trips, or other outdoor experiences, marketing and managing your operation just got easier. In this video, I'm going to walk you through getting started with BirdDog. Whether you've got a website or just some photos and a rate sheet, we can get your operation live and in front of customers in a few minutes. Let's jump in. Start at birddogit.com/listing. From here, you've got two ways in. If you have a website, paste the URL right here and click import. That's the fastest path. We'll scan your site and pull your experiences, lodging, pricing to build your profile. If you don't have a website, that's not a problem. You can upload PDF files like brochures or rate sheets, or just tell us about your operation directly. Our simple process will walk you through a few questions to capture what you offer. I'm going to go the website route so you can see what that looks like. Once you submit, BirdDog goes to work pulling your information together. This takes less than a couple of minutes. It's looking on your website for experiences, lodging details, and pricing, organizing everything into a draft for your review. Nothing goes live until you approve it. Here's where you'll step in. Verify the name, location, and description of your operation. Update it accordingly. Don't worry about making it perfect. You can adjust your profile anytime from your dashboard. When you're ready, click the button in the bottom right corner to review and edit your experiences. From here, you can review the experiences the profile builder pulled in. The bolded text shows the title of the experience customers will see in the marketplace. The green toggle gives you the opportunity to toggle the experience on and off, allowing you to maintain control of the listings you'd like in the marketplace. Update each listing by clicking on the pencil icon. Here you can update the title, pricing, labeling, season dates, category, and description of your experiences that were pulled in. When you're done, click the disk icon to save your progress. Want to add a new experience? Click Add Experience manually to enter any seasonal or year-round activity catered to your property. Landowners can easily add experiences of all kinds to the marketplace to maximize every acre for all seasons. When you're done, save your progress. From here, you'll review all of your information at a glance to make sure it's right. When you're satisfied with your information, press the button in the lower right corner to continue. Now it's time to create your account. Simply enter your first and last name, email, and password to create your account. Or you can easily sign in with your Google account. That's it. In just minutes, you've got your operation entered into BirdDog, one step closer to more simply marketing and managing your listing all in one place. 3 things to do from here. First, check out your dashboard and get to know the platform. Secondly, connect your payments account through Stripe so you can get paid for the experiences you're selling. Third, get your calendar up to date with the latest and greatest availability of your experiences. Congratulations on getting your operation live with BirdDog. Your land is open for business.